President William Ruto ni wonania wikwatyo nthini wauni wa ukwati wa nthi ya Kenya ayelesya mauvo maseo kuma ku ikundi ya Global Credit kana ukwati wa nthi ya Kenya ni uendeeye nesa ainene acha thini cha uthaithi kanisani wa Global Cathedral Church Lovi. Ruto ni waelesya kana kwa ila kwa ukwati wa nthi ya Kenya kumanite na mitalatala ila yikitwe ni utongoi wake wa kuwailia. Ruto ngini wakathiia ndeto cia musumbi wa nthi ya US Donald Trump wakana mivae ni ila ni mundu ume kana mundu muka ailena na miyao ya mivae kana Lgbtq lina musangie na mauvo.
Nina kavinda ni kala yukite uthaithi kanisani umwe musini munene wa Iulu. Musumbi William Ruto nuwetie tauvukyo kwitha uchumi wanze ya Kenya kwitha uendeeye na kuthayuka. Kindu kila kueta mwaka uwa 2025 tau kwitha mwaka wikava maundu makonete uchumi kwa Kenya umathuthiene nze kuendeea na kuvoya nzi.
And we have seen a great movement towards the healing of our economy, so that we can proudly move together, united as a nation. And so I agree with you that 2025 is going to be a great year. So to all of us, I want to say we are truly blessed to be here. I want to ask the Global Cathedral Church, the membership, and other believers in our nation to pray for this nation.
Maundu makonete kwitikila mitwano yaka kwa kana umwe kwa aume wenda LGBTQ. Musumbi no ukathiia moloto wanze ya Amerika kwa Kuleana na sieko na ilo siyo sete nguma mono vanze ya Kenya.
That the policy direction of the United States supports what we believe in. That boys must remain boys, and men must remain men, and women must remain women, and girls must remain girls. We thank God that this year, the very first news from the United States in the new administration is to confirm what the Bible says, what our faith believes in, and what our tradition, family, is grounded on.
Akuendeeye ukathiia nze ya Amerika, musumbi nuwetie kana itambya maovisa mausese ikululumilia mugo Haiti. Itambya umania na ule wa musumbi ivinda yu na valona musumbi mo Donald Trump ukwatie Mbau seso ya kutethesa kululumilia mugo Haiti. Itambya ila yikwithwa yikuendeea na ululumilia ngwatani wakati wanze
aspects. I was requested by the President of the United States last year to provide Kenya's security diplomacy that is also legendary and known to support Haiti. And I'm very proud that even President Trump, with the new administration, supports Kenya's mission in Haiti to help the men, women, children of that nation to experience peace and stability, and so that they too can do what other nations do. I say there is a special relationship between the United States and Kenya because we have a strong bond of relationship.
Kuripoti ya Mauvo Nilina Musangi.